Hello, my friends on the internet. This is day 364. Yeah, one day off of a year of making an app to end doom scrolling. Today, I do not have much, again, to share with you on the progress of the actual app that is right here. Tomorrow, I am planning on launching a sale, putting on a chef costume, and making some nice videos to celebrate that milestone. But today, it's just another Tuesday. What actually is Tuesday. And really, I'm just going to be doing some fall activities, some work in the morning, which is now. Now is the morning, for about 4 to 5 hours, and making some progress every single day on the things that are working, the things that matter. And right now, what matters for this is actually marketing it, getting it out to people. Otherwise, I'm making something for people who don't exist. If there's no people using the app, there's no sense in making it much better. Not well, it's not. It still is nice to make things better always, but I think you get the point. Anyways, today is for anyone who's been watching the last 360 days, any of those days. Thank you. And if you're someone who needs to or wants to scroll less on their phones, I'm going to tell you that the answer is not just in an app, which is what I'm building, it's in yourself. And it's curiosity. That is the answer. But not just curiosity for what's the next thing in your feed, curiosity for what you want out of life, what you could become, and where your potential is inside of the things that most interest you passionately, deeply, and really just the things that make your soul want to know more deeply, not just shallow next video on Instagram or TikTok. That's the answer in short form. I've made this app to try to answer part of that, basically help people find things that they may be interested in doing and getting plans to do it. And every single plan has curated content. That's the idea. But of course, an app is never going to solve all of your problems. It's not a magic pill to make you better at something right away. You still have to try. And trying is the most wonderful thing. So that's really all I have for today. Try. Try your best. Soon enough, your best will be even better than it was before. I don't really have much else to say, but I hope you have a great day. Spend your time wisely. Wisely means doing things that you enjoy. No one else needs to determine what that is for you. And I love you. Have a great day. Go touch some grass if you want. And see you soon. See you tomorrow. Get ready. All right. Bye.